Hi guys, welcome to our brief tutorial how to post a blog. A lot of you have been doing it via Posterous, via email. I'm changing that format that you will do it directly into the back end of one of your blog sites. The reason for this is it will be more efficient, there will be less headaches, you will have more opportunity to do whatever you want with that blog site. Alright, so what I've done is I've set you all up as users so that you can post your content. Very simple. So how do we do this? We go to a web browser page. We bring up the top, we type in www followed by your URL. In this instance, I will be using benchmarkrestaurant.info, which is the URL for the blog site for Benchmark Restaurant. At the end of the URL, you're going to add /wp-login.php. That will then bring us to a login window. I will give you all your login details. I will now bring in this login, this user login for Benchmark Restaurant. Very, very simple. Takes a moment, bang, there you have the back end of your blog site. Do not get too bogged down in the nitty-gritty of this. We're not going to waste our time on that. All we're going to do is work on posts. All we do is click posts. You're only lodging posts. That's all you're doing. Alright, so what we have here is you can see all the old posts down there. We're just going to simply add new post. It will bring up the post page. Notice over here you have visual and you have HTML. I'm sure not too many of you are worried about code, so leave HTML alone. Always make sure you're in the visual tab, and you'll see this is the area where you provide your content. This is where you add your title. Try and make your title Google friendly. In this instance, I will put in just a new post. And then we'll type in here, this is a new post. You write whatever you like in there. That's all your content, right? That's where it exists. All your content is going to go in there. We're going to add an image. You can add video. You can add whatever you like. Upload, insert. See there, little media tab. Add media. Can be a bit slow depending on the size of the files you're adding. But anyway, what we've got here is from your computer, we're going to select a file. I'm just going to pick the closest image I can see there. That'll do. Dips. I'm going to open that and I'm going to attach that image. It takes a moment to upload, depending on the size of the image to how long it takes. Always good with every post to attach an image. Works well because A, it's visible. It's something that people can look at. It's something that tends to get shared more, which is what this is all about, certainly through the Posterous blog site. I won't get bogged down in explaining the nitty-gritty of all of that. But Posterous, basically what we've been using in the past, is where all of our database can be built. We have subscribers. All of your sites have subscribers to them already. You won't know it, but you do. And they're receiving your content regularly when updates are going through. Alright, so simply that loads up now. We have the option to add captions, in other words, a note underneath of it. You can change the sizes of the images. Please don't get too bogged down in this because sometimes it just goes a bit pear-shaped. So generally the best way to do is just leave it as it is for the purposes of now. If you do want to add a caption, then go for it. This is a dip. Okay, great, fantastic. And insert into post. Not save all changes, insert into post. Then what will happen, as you will see, we'll come back to there. We have, this is a new post, this is a dip, blah, blah, blah. Nearly done. All we've got to do now is add whatever it might be. In this instance, a category. I'm going to put general articles. If in doubt, general is always good. And under tags, tags are merely words that people can find the content easier. I'm going to put dips. That's all we need to do. That's fine. Add that in there. You can put as much or as little as you like. And that's it. Ready to go. Hit publish and it is done. As simple as that. I'll save it as a draft in this instance, because we don't want to publish this. It's not much of a post to put out there, but I'll save it as a draft. That's now saved, and we can preview the post. And what we'll be seeing here is what will exist on benchmarkrestaurant.info. We haven't posted it, of course, but there it is. Blah, blah, blah. All done. And that will syndicate out to Facebook. It will also go up to Posterous. It will also go out to Twitter. It will go out to numerous avenues through what I've got set up in the back end. Hope that was understandable and easy to follow. And let me know if you've got any questions. Thanks. Bye.